Introducing our state-of-the-art cable trays, now in Lahore. Powering Lahore with robust and reliable cable trays. Ensuring seamless electrical management in every project. Next, we bring our innovation to Islamabad. Islamabad, get ready for top-notch cable management solutions. Our cable trays guarantee safety and efficiency for all your electrical needs. And finally, we're in Faisalabad. Faisalabad, elevate your electrical infrastructure with our premium cable trays. Reliable, strong, and built to last. Electric Power Engineering, connecting your world with the best cable trays. For more details contact Muhammad Rihan 0300 944 4907. Thanks for watching.